Council. I'm Nina Lama. So we are actually going to have a short informal program later at 4 o'clock. Now you can go in, check out the artworks, how the curation works, and later we will have some questions to you, and maybe you have some questions for us. So we'll have some interactions later. Is that all right?
No.
No? You can actually raise a question.
You're in charge.
Yes, yes.
We'll just do a brief
Yeah.
framing of the presentation. Maybe talk about the collection just for 2 minutes. We'll talk about it a lot longer later, but just some people will have to leave. But if you get to stay till 4 o'clock, we'll go into an in-depth explanation of why we're doing this, what we think the benefits are.
Sure, thank you. So right now we actually have 50 artist artworks over here, and you can actually find more than 50 artworks. So these artworks are from different regions, from Kathmandu Valley, from different regions and all. And we are doing something with the artworks that we are talking about location tracking of the artworks, which will be very, very important to our collectors as well as our artists, because it will help to identify the provenance, where the artwork came from, the artist, the years, where it is going, and everything. So we will be discussing more about that later. Yeah.
Just taken to know. Naveen, where are you? Here. Can you come here as well? So Naveen is with Microsoft. He's been there 25 years. He lives in Seattle, and shown these two guys have actually done everything you see here. And of course with Nina and Kailash, because I don't know, these are the main people who've done all the work. So yeah. I'm going to show, and then at 4 o'clock, he'll tell you how the artists will make money digitally.
Yeah. So I think for many people here, the technology we're using is new to them. But even though Tashi says that I did all the work, actually doing the technology is the easy part. Putting on an art exhibition like this is quite hard. And so I did not do as much work as Tashi claims. I leveraged existing technology to try to take what's sacred and special in Nepal and not replace it with AI, but use AI and blockchain to preserve and share the sacred culture from Nepal. So we'll have a larger program later today and at 4 o'clock, so I hope you get to stick around and enjoy the collection that Mina put together.
Thank you very much.
So you only sponsor artists?
And the youngest would be 26 years old. He's half us. So we started with Ganesh. He is actually very, very importantly in Hinduism, Buddhism, military people, because it blesses people with luck and protects people from dangers. It's just we want all these paintings to have the identity that they were. Last year, this year.
म त एकदम स्पष्ट क्लियर भन्छु कि नेपाल झल्काउने हो भनेदेखि यहाँ साँच्चै नै डिभाइन गिफ्टै भन्छु अनि उ गर्ने छ त्यही हो अहिले भर्खर phenomenal.
So that's the plan actually. So हामीले अहिले प्राइमरीली गर्न खोजेको पर्टिकुलर एक्जिबिसनमा छ. So there are buying, selling the virus, but there is no authentication of art.
Yes.
So that's what our primary agenda of making this to
50 artists.
50 artists.
Okay.
So the primary idea of this exhibition, objective of this exhibition, is to sort of authenticate all these artworks so that we can have all the provenance documented in blockchain.
Wow.
And through AI we can just track different
Wow.
artists or artwork patterns and entities.
Okay, taking it? 1 2 3 नमस्ते शङ्कर श्रेष्ठजी यस्तो पृष्ठ एउटा नेपाली हिन्दू एकदम सनातन भएको भएर चाहिँ यो देख्दाखेरि चाहिँ मान्छेले भन्दा के हो डरलाग्दो छ मलाई त डरलाग्दो होइन यसमा त शान्ति देखेको छु मेरो इतिहास देखेको छु मेरो धर्म देखेको छु यहाँले के भन्नुहोस् न शङ्करजी यो बनाउने के आएको थियो यहाँको सोचमा र कहिले बनाउनु भयो यो चाहिँ
कति 10 वर्ष अगाडि बनाएको होला पेन्टिङ पनि अब मैले छोडिसकेको थिएँ फेरि सुरु गर्छु भनेर फेरि सुरु गरेको थिएँ
तर कसरी नि पेन्टिङमा कसरी लाग्नुभयो पहिला
पेन्टिङमा त बच्चैदेखि लागेको फेरि छोडिदिएँ अब यसमा काम छैन भनेर अब फेरि आफूले जानेको गरौँ त भनेर फेरि
त्यो यही लाग्छ कि मलाई दुःख हाम्रो देशको चाहिँ यहाँहरू जस्तो उत्कृष्ट आर्टिस्टहरू समाजले गरेर आफ्नो अर्थतन्त्रले गरेर भनौँ न
अर्थतन्त्रले
एक्ज्याक्टली पेन्टिङ छोडेर कोही ब्याङ्कर बन्छ कोही इन्जिनियर कोही डक्टर बन्नु भन्ने भन्छ हामीले यस्तो वर्ड्स युज गर्छौँ एभरेज ब्याङ्कर इन्जिनियर डक्टर त देशमा पनि हुन्छ नि तपाईँ यस्तो क्रिएसन गर्ने मान्छे चाहिँ संसारमा कम हुन्छ म धेरै धन्य छु हामी नै धन्य छु देश यहाँले फेरि पेन्ट गर्न लाग्नु धेरै धेरै appreciate the conversation. For me, this in my lifetime is the picture that is me. Shiva Bhakta Bhaira, Pura Shiva Parivar, यसरी हाल्ने उहाँहरू जहिले पनि माया पनि राखेर चाहिँ is really amazing. I need to request somebody. वर्षौँदेखि चाहिँ मैले होइन एडमायर गरिरहेको छु नेपालीपना जुन किसिमले झल्काउनुहुन्छ हाम्रो इतिहास हाम्रो धर्म जुन किसिमले यहाँ क्याप्चर गर्नुहुन्छ र शिव भक्त भएको भएर रुद्राक्ष लगाइएको छ शिव परिवार देख्दाखेरि चाहिँ मेरो मन मात्र होइन यहाँले आत्माले क्याप्चर गर्नु भएको छ यसको बारेमा के भन्नुहोस्
अब यो डिजाइन चाहिँ सकियो त्यो चाहिँ मेनली चाहिँ अब देखाउने चाहिँ त्यही शिव परिवारको चाहिँ देखाउने चाहिँ एउटा दृश्य देखाउने कुरा हो होइन अब जस्तै चाहिँ अब शिवको वासस्थान चाहिँ अब कैलाश भने जस्तै चाहिँ अब यो हिमालहरू देखाउने अनि पहाडहरू देखाउने अनि शिव र पार्वतीलाई चाहिँ सँगै यसरी देखाउँदाखेरि अनि शिवको पुत्रहरू कुमार र गणेशलाई पनि यसरी देखाएको भयो अब यसलाई चाहिँ अझ यसको चाहिँ ब्युटीलाई इन्हान्स गर्नलाई यो कमलको फुलमा चाहिँ अष्टमङ्गलको चिन्हहरू अब यसरी चाहिँ गरे भयो अनि यी सबै चाहिँ डेकोरेटिभ प्याटर्न्सहरू चाहिँ अब यो भगवानको यो चित्रको शीर्षक होइन जय चाहिँ शिव परिवार श्री 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 शिव परिवार भनेर लेखिएको छ भने चोमा उदय चरण श्रेष्ठ भनेर रञ्जना लिपिमा चाहिँ लेख्या हो होइन अब यो हाम्रो मन्दिरहरूको तोरणहरूमा हुने जस्तै चाहिँ यो छेपु कीर्तिमुख राख्या अनि यो सँगै चाहिँ यो हितिमङ्ग मकर यो राख्ने अब मेन चाहिँ त्यही हो खास चाहिँ यसको मेन विषय त अब शिव परिवार भइहाल्यो
She is, for me, and I think Nepali art.
So it's a perfect marriage to leverage technology to preserve something valuable. That's essentially why blockchain was created. So one element of blockchain that's
एउटा फ्यामिली भन्नु लाग्छ सो मैले के जानी नजानी भुल गरेको छु मलाई माफ गरिदिनु होला तपाईँहरूबाट सिकाउनु होला मैले जति